Hello friends and welcome to my channel. In today's video I am decorating two different tier trays for spring and Easter. Each year it gets more difficult to come up with new ideas how to decorate these tier trays. Today I'm also going to be sharing how to take that guesswork out of decorating. A company called Tier Tray Decor Box reached out to me and were kind enough to send me one of their monthly subscription boxes, so here is what I got. So all of the items that came are mini, which is perfect for the tray. So the first one that I just showed you was galvanized and a little bit aged milk crate or milk jug. I think that's what they're called. And then also these cute little tiny flowers. They're a perfect color yellow, which I love to use in my decor. And then this flower garden, I think it has the right colors for the spring and Easter decorating. And to go with it is this spring sign that has the same flowers right on top. And I thought that was really cute and very matchy coordinating type of thing. And then also another thing was this cute little bunny sitting on top of an egg. Again, great for Easter, my Easter decorating. Another thing that was in there was this sign, "Here comes a spring," and this is perfect for the tier trays, but you can also just use them on any other tray or any areas where you would like to add a mini sign. I was thinking about adding it, if it doesn't go on a tray, on my floating shelves in the kitchen. So here is the website. You can check out the different types of subscriptions. You can also go and shop individual items in here to add to the subscription box. So I think they have tons of really neat things on here. So I would encourage you to go check them out. And you can, when you do, you can sign up for a monthly subscription, 3 months, 6 months, or 12-month membership. And you can also purchase, like I said, individual items. I will have the link to the website and also have a discount code for you. So make sure you check them out. Everything will be linked in the description box. So I'm going to get started decorating, and I'm going to be decorating my small tier tray first. This tier tray I had for a while, and I picked it up on Amazon. Usually whenever I'm decorating tier trays, it does take me a few times to achieve the look that I like. I play around with it. Sometimes I will fully decorate it and then come back to it a little while later and change things up. It is just how it is, and I love the process. I love decorating them. So I hope that you are enjoying this video as well. And if you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, my name is Sonja, and this is my home decorating channel where I share tons of decorating inspiration sprinkled in with some cleaning and organizing. So if this is something that you think you might enjoy watching, I would love it if you considered subscribing, pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any uploads. I did share my spring home tour already, so if you want to head on over, I will have that linked at the end for you to check out, as well as a mega spring decorating video on top of this one to give you even more decorating ideas and inspirations. Now that I have all of these items in here, I'm going to add some fillers, and I usually tend to add some sugar and creamers, all the different types that I have, because I do find that they have a nice crisp white background and backdrop. You can add some flowers if there's enough height in your tray, and then they also don't take away any attention from the main pieces that you're trying to showcase. I'm also like adding lots of greenery, lots of faux flowers or fake flowers into it, depending on the season, but definitely a lot of green type of leafy plants that I have. So here it is. I think it turned out so cute and very springy, very bright with a sprinkle of Easter in it. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video because I will be sharing a little changes that I make at the end of it. Next tray that I'm going to be decorating is this large galvanized tray that I got from Home Depot a few years back. This was one of those special buys, just like the mirror that I have in my bathroom. I think they have them until they're gone and then they don't have them anymore. So I quite liked it because at the time, and even still to this day, to find tier trays in my location, which is Ontario, Canada, is really hard. Like, there's not a lot of choices. I think Amazon now has a bit more choices to choose from, but back when I purchased these first, there wasn't a lot of stuff there. So I was quite happy when I had found this one. So as you can see, I am using a lot of different textures here. I've got the galvanized metal, I've got wood, I have concrete, and then I also have some twine. So, and some, well, I already actually mentioned wood. So, and that's pretty much how I tend to decorate every space in my house. I like adding a lot of texture, and I do find that different materials add different textures, and I love adding a lot of greenery. So it's a very, I don't know what you would call the style. I always say it's a Sonja style, but would you say it's organic? I don't know if that's the word. I don't really know. So anyways, it's a Sonja style. And then I also always like to include some sort of a color that will stand out. In this case, it was definitely the orange carrots that were giving me that standout vibe. This little bunny I had thrifted, and I thought I was so happy when I found it, and I thrifted, I think it was the bunny, and then I think there was an owl, and it was like $3. And I thought it was so neat, never seen it before. And then sure enough, I found them like every time I go to Michael's, I see them there, and they're not much more. So I thought it was a great find, but it turns out you can get them at any time. Oh well. So as you can see, I had taken that garland from the 2-tier tray and adding it to this one. And I actually like it a little bit more here than I did in the other one, and I will show you what I did with the other one in just a second. But I'm quite happy with the way this one turned out. It wasn't overpacked. Sometimes I do add a lot more stuff, make it look a lot more busier, but just like all of my other decor these days, it's a lot more simplified, a lot less stuff, and I am quite liking this. I never thought I would, but I am liking it. Let me know, guys, are you a more decor type of person or less decor type of person? So here is what I did. So I did add a wooden bunny to this one. I have like 3 or 4 of them throughout my house. So I added one here instead of that a flower garland, and I like it. It gave it a little bit of height. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to check out the website for the tier tray box, and as well as use my code if you decide to buy anything. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.